the beach in different times of the day. I don't know if this is like the same location, but it looks very cool. Hello guys, and welcome to AFS More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can blend images using Canva. Now, to be able to blend two images using Canva is quite simple, but you will have to access apps for that. And some of the apps that are available in Canva might not be free, which is why I want you to go ahead and check out the link in the description so that you'll have free access to 30 days of Canva Pro and be able to access amazing photos, graphics, and for example, these ones here, the ones with Pro, you'll be able to access that. These are generally high quality photos that you can use in your designs, and you'll be able to use a lot of features that can make your experience worthwhile and level it up to the next level. And so without further ado, let me show you how you can blend two images on Canva. So let's say I wanna go ahead and get a beach photo. For example, this one. Since this has the sandy shores to the left, it would be nice to blend it with something that has something on the right, right? Get it right? Because, you know, yeah. For example, this one, I could use this. And what I can do is I can just go ahead and create reflections for these two photos. And how you can do that is to go over to apps like earlier and search up easy reflections, then click this very first one, and then you add this to your design. So we need to click an element that we want to edit. So for example, this one, I want to add a reflection to this one and then just set it to left because like we want it to be facing this other one. So we can also increase the opacity and increase the offset, so you know, the part where the photo becomes empty, or like when it starts to blend, that's what offset is for. So if you increase this, then it will take over the entire photo. But I'm just gonna put it there just for a bit. And then what we should have when we click add to design is this version of the photo. So it looks wonderful already. You can just increase the size and put it here. And even now it looks already wonderful. It looks like it's already blending. And to make it even much better, I mean seriously, it looks like it's one photo. That's so cool. We can go back. This one, and then we'll have this one, then we'll just flip this horizontally, increase the size of the photo, and you will have this design of two shores on the beach in different times of the day. I don't know if this is like the same location, but it looks very cool. Like sunset and then like in the middle of the day. So yeah, that is how you blend images on Canva. It's very simple and you just need easy reflections for that. So I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.